Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Thursday, December the 22nd, 2011. At eminidaytrader, we like to use these market profiles, which is what we're looking at here. This is today's market profile and its corresponding volume profile. And this is what occurred yesterday. The one in the middle here is what took place overnight. So we had mentioned in the 32 areas potential support, and you can see that overnight the market did reach down to 32 and a quarter actually, and then move higher. So the up auction was continuing nicely, and then opened in here for the regular trading hours, which has a 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time open. So opened here, shot up almost right away, tried to back off, had a tough time in that 44 area, which we were suggesting was could act as a barrier. Went back and forth in that area for a while, and then finally broke higher, and then it finished the day in a nice up move. So that next level up was around 49. We're looking around 55 for the next level, and then 61 with support around 42. Still all contained or within the context of the up auction. Now we also have our market profiles here from the regular trading hours only. And we use them in our analysis as well. This video you're listening to right now is a shortened version. This video usually lasts around 5 minutes or so. The one we do for the members usually runs about 15 to 20 minutes each day, and obviously a lot more detail and so forth. But at least with this one, we can give you sort of an overview of what we're looking at and so forth. Our trades are set up, long trades with a blue arrow like this, and then you can also see the price of the entry for a long trade right there. Same is true on a short trade. If it occurs immediately, there's no dash line. This was a short right here. We did not take that trade, obviously. We were in an intraday up market and an intraday up market, so we're not going to take a short trade like that. We tried to get long down in here, just did not give us the opportunity to do so. It gave us the opportunity, but didn't give us the trigger, would I guess be a better description. We did have a nice fill over here, and this is actually the only trade that we made today. Got long here, and it did move up nicely. That particular trade did move a couple, 2.5 points in our favor, and reaching our first two objectives and a 1.5 on the final. So that's really the only trade we had today. There was some very late, there was a very late opportunity right here to get long on that bar right there, which did have a bounce, but this is very late in the day. This is actually after the cash close, so not all that uncommon not to have that many opportunities in a pre-holiday market, and or you could call it a holiday. We're just before the holiday itself, I suppose, but obviously very modest volume today, to be expected again tomorrow, and probably even lighter volume next week, and then in January, another 10 days or so, the market will pick up and start to get more back to normal kind of thing. Normal meaning better ranges and more trading opportunities and so forth. So like I said, we're looking at 42 as good support, and then around 46 with an objective of 49, and then, I'm sorry, not 49, we've already done that, 55, and then 61. Any questions or questions or comments, please reach us at info@eminidaytrader.com. We always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So that'll be it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.